Everybody loves somebody sometime. Everybody do love me. Please let me do it.
Thank you very much. You're very... Oh! You're... Oh, I feel pretty good tonight. But I'm still a little upset. You know, my youngest son, Ricky, got lost, and he was missing from the house for 9 hours today. Everybody was looking for him, the police, the firemen, and finally, one of the neighbors found him and brought him home. Some people just can't learn to mind their own business, I'll tell you. But I really love all my kids. My daughter, Gina, no, my little big middle, Dina, that's it, Dina. Oh, boy, don't just look down, help me. Gonna be a good show, baby. I hope I'm here to watch it. My daughter, Dina, just drove me down here to the studio. She's got one of those little small foreign sports cars, you know. They're too small for me, but they have some advantages. At least the cops never put a ticket on the windshield of your car. They just spank it, you know. And they're cheaper to run. You don't have to have $1.50 to have it washed. You can have it dunked for 35 cents. And my daughter drove her little sports car to a drive-in movie, and the manager wouldn't let her in. No, sir. He said when they show a French movie, it's only for grown-up cars. That's what it is. That's a funny thing. Now, don't you go away, because here's a fella to tell you all about the great talent we have with us tonight. I don't know how I got through that.
Let me tell you about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. Well, let me tell you about the stars in the sky, the girl and the guy, the way they can kiss on a night like this. When I look into your big brown eyes, it is very plain to see that it's time you learn about the facts of life, starting to make you. Well, let me tell you about the birds, the bees, the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. When I look into your big brown eyes, it is very plain to see that it's time you learned about the facts of life, starting about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. Well, let me tell you about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, the stars in the sky, the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees, and the girls and the guys, the flowers